In my opinion, Trump Media's business model is unsustainable and faces significant risks. To me, the stock is an obvious sell. Currently going for a $6.5 billion valuation at $49.26. Poor fundamentals, high valuation, and risks associated with Donald Trump and some of the insiders make investing in this stock way too risky. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so what is Trump Media? Basically, they own Truth Social and other news outlets. They're pretty much a media and technology company, and their mission, according to their website, is to end big tech's assault on free speech by opening up the internet and giving the American people their voices back. So that's a great mission, but when you look under the hood, the fundamentals are just not there. First things first, the valuation is just way too high. Pretty much going for a $6.75 billion valuation. And when we go into the financials and look at the annual statements, they only made $4.1 million in 2023. So a company valued that much, only making $4.1 million in a year, is already a red flag that this company is way too overvalued. Their operating costs are way too high, and they are not making any net income. So there's not much data out yet on Seeking Alpha. The best we could do is look at the quarterly. They're only making around $1 million in revenue per quarter. When you take a look at earnings per share, down 200% year over year, and the previous quarter before that, down 300% year over year. So they're losing a lot of money, but they're not making a lot of money either. And also net income for the past 5 quarters have been negative. The most recent net income of negative 9.2 million, down 202% year over year. If this doesn't scream it's an obvious sell, I don't know what to tell you. They pretty much have no assets. They only have around 2.6 million in cash with 2.9 million in debt. The company's $6.5 billion valuation is just way too astronomical, and it doesn't align with such low sales figures, and I caution investors who are looking to invest in this stock. In my opinion, Trump Media's business model is unsustainable and faces significant risks. The stock is an obvious sell to me, but I also would not short these shares due to the high borrowing costs. On the most recent news, Trump Media's accounting firm charged by SEC with massive fraud. So there's just a lot of red flags going on, and also some of the executives in the company have tried to drop the 6-month share lockup period. So that's another thing you have to watch for. In 6 months, the insiders all do get to sell. They're definitely going to be dumping their shares on you. Again, in my opinion, this is just one of those hype stocks, and yes, you could make money because the market is pretty crazy. In my view, the business model is unsustainable and they face significant risks. I rate this stock a sell, and I would highly avoid it. Thanks for watching.